and him challenge me. So let us get right into the video.
Oh, Shane, tell them the new rules.
Yes, the new rule is that I have questions for her.
What kind of question you have for me?
Yes. Yes.
So it's you ask a question, then he asks the question.
Yes.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I have my special guest, Mr. Shotty Shane.
Yeah.
Alright, next question. No, I'm gonna like this. What's the next question?
Alright, so my question is quite easy. Never have I ever squirted. Hold on, I can put on the box to take out the box.
No, I'm not.
Ben cannot squirt. So I think I'll win that one quickly.